Okay, so number 55 and 57, I will help you to set up the table. And after I set up the table, then you will work on yourself to find out the expected value. And it's the same thing as problem 53. Number 55, multiple choice question has 5 choices. If you get the question right, you will gain 1 point. And if you get it wrong, you will lose 1/4 point. Assume you have no idea what the right answer is, so you pick one of the choices at random. A. What is the expected value of the number of points you get? So in this case, we will make the table and the x and the p of x. So in this case, the x represent for the points that we will get, right? So it's points, okay? So you also have gain and lose also. So this is gain and lose. So for gain, if we gain 1 point, and if we lose 1/4, so negative 1/4. So what is the probability now? So let's look at the question. They say that the multiple choice has 5 choices. So it's only 1 correct out of 5. So the probability for us to choose the correct answer is 1 out of 5, and to choose the wrong answer would be 4 out of 5. And of course, when we choose the wrong answer, that will be lose. So 4 out of 5 for the losing in here, right? So that's it. Now you will continue to find the x times p of x, and then you will add the result. So after we get the expected value, we can answer part B. Now problem 57. An investor is considering a 10,000 investment in a startup company. She estimates that she has probability 0.25 of 20,000 loss, probability 0.20 of 10,000 profit, 0.15 probability of 50,000 profit, and probability 0.40 of breaking even. That means the profit is 0. What is the expected value of the profit? Would you advise the investor to make the investment? Okay, so I will have x and p of x in this case. For the x, we are looking for the expected value of the profit. So the x represents for the profit. So let's list out the profit. She estimates that she has a probability 0.25 for 20,000 loss. So in this profits can be loss or can be gain. In this case, we have 20,000 negative. The probability is 0.25. The probability of 0.20 for the gain 10,000. The probability of 0.15 for the profit of 50,000, and even. So the probability is 0.40 for 0 profit. To check our answer, we can check to see if we get the answer is 1, and we add them up, and it's equal to 1. So then that is right. After that, then you need to create one more column and do x times p of x, and then add them up the answer. So after we add this up, we have to see if the answer for the expected value is positive or negative. If the answer we got is positive, we will advise the investor to make the investment. If the number is negative, then we will not advise the investor to make the investment.